Hey everyone, in my previous lesson we learnt about the basic Japanese writing and the three scripts in Japanese writing, which are Hiragana, Katakana and Kanji. We also learned the the five vowel sounds of Hiragana, which are, yeah, you got it right, A, I, U, E, O. A, I, U, E, O. I would like to show you a few words using the five hiragana characters that we learned in the previous lesson. So the first one is, which you all know, is A. So let me first write the character. 1, 2, I hope you all remember the stroke order 1, 2 and 3. I hope you also remember the three things that you have to pay attention to, which is tomeru, harau, and the other one was, yes, you got that right, it is haneru, which means to jump. Tomeru means to stop. Harau is to sweep. Now the first word that I would like to show you using this character A Can you read this? Aoi, aoi, aoi. All these three characters are the ones from those five characters of hiragana, the five vowel sounds that we learned in the previous lesson. This is aoi, which means blue color. Blue or blue color. So here's the three characters. So you can pronounce it, you can read it aloud as told to you in the previous lesson. Aoi, aoi. Repeat it 3 or 4 times till you get it right. I would like to show you how these Japanese characters are pronounced in English. So here's the English sound, and I hope you all remember the Romaji, which I explained to you in my previous lesson. And well, here's the pronunciation example. So how this character A is pronounced by comparing to an English word. So here's the pronunciation example, which is car. So A, basically you can just relate it to this sound car, A. So this is the pronunciation example, and well, there are other examples like father. So here's the A, fa, and this is exactly how it sounds when you talk about this Japanese alphabet. So the Japanese character A as in car or father. So let me go to the next character E, and let me write a few words with this character E. And as you can see, so this is a stroke order 1, 2, and what is this called? Yes, you got it right, it is haneru, which means to jump or to leap. In my previous lesson, I had written a word starting with the character E. and that was hope you remember this, ye, ye, which means, yes, you got it right, it means house. So here's another word starting with the character E. The word is ye. Can you notice the difference between these two words? This is ye, this is ye, ye, ye. Ye means no. So make sure that you do not get confused between these two words, ye and ea. So similar to the pronunciation of the R character in English, as in car or father. So let me now give a pronunciation example of E character. This is the English sound, and the example would be, say, ink, ink, or inside. So this is the example. Let's now go to the next character, which is U. So how many strokes are there in U? 1, 2. The second stroke is it ends with the harau, which means to sweep, as you all might be knowing already. So let me write a word with U. So in the previous lesson, I think I have written a word starting with the character U, which was ue, ue. Ue means up or above, top. So here's the pronunciation example of ue. So as in cow. So we pronounce this cow, cow, cow. So that's how this U is pronounced as, which resembles the sound, the English sound cow. So here's another English sound which can be pronounced as good. If you notice, this is the pronunciation goes like U, good, U, which is U, good or good, U. So there are many more examples. The next character, which is A, A, and in the stroke order 1, 2, and both end with tomeru, which means to stop. So let me go to the pronunciation example using A character. Believe it or not, the character A itself is a word. A means picture, as in a picture on the wall, and the pronunciation, let me take, well, the English sound is this, and the pronunciation example, let's say effort, effort, a, a, or elephant, a, a. Let me give you another word starting with the character A, which is so we have not learned this character yet, but I hope all of you know these two, which is A. But the pronunciation here for this and the reading is ego, ego, ego. Many of you will be knowing what this word Nihongo means, which is Japanese, and ego means English. Ego. So next, let's go to the character O, the fifth vowel sound. And let me review the stroke order. 1, 2, 3. So the second stroke here, as you all know, is the harau, which means to sweep. So let me write a word for using the word character O. So hopefully you can read this. Oi, oi. Let me repeat. Oi, which means many, a lot of, a lot. It also means numerous and large, a large quantity, many people, a lot of problems, etc. And I've already mentioned the English sound O, and here are some pronunciation examples like pillow, old, gold. So this character O has a pronunciation is pronounced as O as in pillow, old as in old, and gold. In this lesson, I have used these white cards, which are flashcards, and they help you in remembering things easily. So I would like to explain about flashcards in my next video a little in detail. So you can make it yourself, these flashcards, DIY flashcards, do it yourself. Anyway, so today's lesson, guys, was the introduction of a few words using these 5 vowels or the 5 characters a, e, u, a, o, and the words that I have mentioned along with their English sounds and also the pronunciation examples. So here's the first one, aoi, aoi, and here's the English sound and the pronunciation example. So here's the next one. Ye, 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 ye. So here's the meaning of the word ye and ye, and the English sound and the pronunciation examples. Here's the third one. We, we. So here are the pronunciation examples and this is the meaning. So here's the fourth one. Ego. The pronunciation examples and the English sound. So here's the fifth one, the last one, which is oi. Oi. The meaning, the English sound and the pronunciation examples. So I also forgot to write the English sound for u, which is this. This is the English sound. So practice these words, guys, and if you have any questions, so please comment on the in the below section, the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them, and looking forward to post my next video. See you guys.